Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another video, and today we're gonna take a look at another cable. This time it's the Yinyoo 8-core cable. We're gonna compare it also to the J-Cali and also TRN 8-core. This is around $8 to $9, so right in the same price range as those two. We're gonna find out if it's worth it and if it's a better buy compared to J-Cali or TRN 8-core. But of course, we review budget-fi to mid-fi audio gears, or if into that, consider subscribing. And also big thanks to Miss Audio for sending this over, links down below for their shop. So let's open this up first. And actually, it came with this kind of brown color. And as you guys know, I'm not really a fan of this kind of brown color. So yeah, right off the bat, I will say that I don't like this color. So in the box, you have the cable itself and some warranty cards. And this copper, and I believe also silver plated here in the Yinyoo, a silky kind of feeling cable. This is also similar to what you get with the Yinyoo 8-core, so that's what I like with the Yinyoos. That's why I usually use them, because they're really soft here, and that is also the case here with the 8-core. These are really soft cables. Let's take a look at the build first. So here you have a straight plug, which is not something I like, so I wish it was an L plug, and yet with the Yinyoo branding. But this is made of metal right here. It also has some reinforcement here, but not super like long reinforcement. Yeah, I wish it was longer here. Of course, it comes with this brown color, and again, as I mentioned, the braid is really soft here. This is might be the softest. If you can see that how pliable that is, might be the softest cable that I have ever held here in the channel. You have this metal fork. Again, I like this. This also came from the 6-core cable. I like that part also with the Yinyoo branding. And what's good here is it has of course this adjuster ring. Ear hook part, actually, yeah, you have preformed ear hooks, which is nice. That is the main thing that I didn't like about the Yinyoo 6-core, that it doesn't have preformed ear hooks right here, as you can see. So this already has preformed ear hooks, which is something I like, and it's not the stiff preformed ear hooks. Also, this is a kind of soft ear hooks, and of course you have a 2-pin connector here, and with the red and the black indicator. Pretty good overall, I'd say, in terms of the build department, except for the color. I don't like the color, but in terms of the overall build, I have no major gripes on it. So let's compare it briefly with the Yinyoo 6-core. You can see that the Yinyoo is a bit thicker, the 6-core one, and it also is the same like kind of pliable kind of build. Here in the 2-pin connector, actually they're quite similar. But again, the Yinyoo 6-core doesn't have the ear hooks, which is not something I like. The 6-core also has some hooks here, but it's made of plastic. I like the 8-core one, which is made of metal. So I would say in terms of overall build, they're pretty similar for me, 8-core and 6-core. But I do like the color of the 6-core, so I might use this more or over this kind of brown color. Let's compare it with the J-Cali. So compared to the J-Cali, if you can see the J-Cali, it's really gold here. Really gold. If you kind of prefer that color, maybe the J-Cali is for you. But right off the bat here in the hand, the Yinyoo is again a softer kind of cable. The J-Cali is a bit rougher here. It's less pliable. So actually the Yinyoo feels premium feeling because of that kind of cable pliability, which is something I like. Here in the plug part, really similar here, almost the same. Here in the adjuster part, if you can see, it's a little bit bigger here in the J-Cali, and really silver here. I don't like silver in terms of how silver this is. Really silver. I kind of prefer the black here, but they're quite similar in terms of the overall build. And here in the fork part, we have a bigger fork part here in the J-Cali, and in the hand, the J-Cali is definitely heavier. But I would actually give the Yinyoo the kind of more premium feeling because of that, you know, overall kind of pliability of the cable here over the J-Cali. The J-Cali is no slouch, but I do like the texture here in the Yinyoo. Compared to the TRN 8-core, again, the Yinyoo is softer here in terms of the pliability over this kind of really hard kind of plastic here and the TRN 8-core. They're really similar also in terms of the overall build. Here in the plug part, really similar. Here in the fork part, here similar, but you have branding with the Yinyoo. And here in the ear hook part, you have ear hooks here in the TRN8 core, but this more stiff compared to the Yinyoo that is softer, a bit softer here. So this is just a touch softer, but it does contribute to being more comfortable in the Yinyoo. So overall, the Yinyoo 8 core is, I would say, a really worthy competitor in the $8 cable, 8 core cable range. That's a good build. I would say a premium feeling kind of build. The colors left to be desired. I'm pretty sure they have other colors also. So if you can get a good color that works for you, I would say that this is a compelling option. I like the texture here. I would say that it is a notch up compared to the J Cali in the TRN8 core. In terms of the texture of the cable, it's just softer here. And also the preformed ear hooks is softer here also, which may contribute to a more comfortable kind of fit. So I kind of like this. I would say that right off the bat, I kind of prefer it over the J Cali and the TRN8 core because of that softness here in the cable and also the softness here in the ear hooks. I would say that overall build is a notch up, a slight notch up compared to the J Cali and the TRN8 core. Compared to the Yinyoo 6 core, I would say that they're pretty similar in terms of my favoritism. I like them both. I also like the Yinyoo 6 core because it's also soft. It has no ear hooks, but I do like the color and the overall builds. I would say that they're pretty equal for me. I would say that I really like this. I would say it's worth it for me. If I'm gonna buy an 8 core cable now, I would go with this one over the TRN8 core and also the J Cali because of the overall kind of build. I will definitely use this. Definitely a good contender in the sub $10 8 core cable range. So that is my review of the Yinyoo 8 core. Hopefully you learned something in this review. If you did, leave a like and of course subscribe for more content like this and the future. And of course use my links below from Miss Audio. They sent me this over for this review. So hopefully you like this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.